Once again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. First of all, sorry, the lines that you can see on my mobile phone screen. I am having a very bad days with the Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. The Samsung Galaxy mobile phone is very easy to get the lines. Anyway, I hope you will understand whatever I am going to show today's video. So this is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, code name is C2S, and the model that I got or the variant is having Exynos chipset. The Snapdragon is actually not supported. So I updated the mobile phone to One UI 8. Let me go to About Phone. This is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the model number is N985F/DS. We'll tap the software information. This is what I got right now. The ExtremeROM version you can see One UI 8.0 and the Android 16. So basically the Note 20 Ultra will not get the official update of the Android 16, but still you can unlock the bootloader and you can install the ExtremeROM Quant ROM. Currently, I got ExtremeROM Quant, the version is 3.0.0, and the good thing is the updates also got arrived. So this is the good thing that the developer is actually releasing the updates for the mobile phone to get the One UI 8, and we can enjoy using the One UI 8. The Galaxy AI is here because officially the Galaxy AI will not be coming for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, those who have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Exynos chipset mobile phone, in case if you want to update or in case if you want to flash this ROM, you can watch the earliest video that I already uploaded. In that video, I showed how to flash the ROM, basically how to flash the TWRP recovery and how to flash the ROM. But in my case, I got the ROM already on my mobile phone, so I will update the ROM in this video, right? So before updating the ROM, I will say that in case if the data is imported for you, just make a backup or save the data in case, because the updating procedure will not erase the data, but still I can say or I cannot say this is the flashing procedure. It can do anything. So if the data is important, then save it. Check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged. In case if the battery is below 30%, then charge the mobile phone battery. Connect the internet on the mobile phone. Then go to settings, and in case if you have set the lock screen, just go to the lock screen and select swipe to turn off the lock screen. Now, how to download the ROM? Just in case, if someone have already the ExtremeROM, the earliest version, currently I have, they can go to menu and tap the updater application. The internet must be connected, right? So the updater application, it will take some time to connect with the server, and then it will show that device is C2S Note 20 Ultra. Current version is 3.0.0 that I already got on my mobile phone, and the updates that it is currently showing is the version of 3.0.6 of the ExtremeROM Quant, right? It got released on the 27th Feb 2026. So you can download the ROM straightly by tapping the download now. But just in case, if the updater application is not getting connected with the server, or if you see that the downloading speed is coming very slow, then you can download the ROM by clicking the link which is provided in my video description. Okay, so this is the ROM that I downloaded straightly from the official website on my computer. Then I copy the ROM on my internal storage of the mobile phone. Well, I will say that proceed the procedure downloading the ROM from the official website, either on the mobile phone or either on the computer. So you can copy the ROM later on the internal storage of the mobile phone. But if someone is not having issues downloading the ROM from the updater application, they can do that, because when the ROM gets downloaded from the updater application, you can simply tap the install zip. So it will also update the ROM without any trouble. Now I have the ROM on my internal storage of my mobile phone, and the mobile phone battery is also charged. And right now you can see that I am on the updater application. I already opened the updater application, right? Those who have the ROM, like copied the ROM on the internal storage, open the updater application and tap reboot. because if you are already having the ExtremeROM Quant, any earliest version ROM on the mobile phone, your mobile phone must be having the TWRP also, TWRP recovery also, right? Well, after tapping the reboot option, you can see that it will ask you what you want to do. You want to tap system or you want to tap recovery or download mode. Well, I will boot the mobile phone into recovery, so I will tap the recovery. Easy thing to do and easy thing to go. So TWRP recovery screen got appears on my mobile phone. First of all, tap settings, then tap the third menu and make the screen time out to maximum. Then go back and tap install. Well, I copied the ROM on the download folder, so I will tap the download folder to open it, and here we go, the ROM that I copied I can see and you can see also. So I will tap to select the ROM file and then simply I will swipe to start flashing it. Data will be remains there, no worries, it will take a time. Here we have to wait now. So you can see that the flashing got completed, everything's done, and I will tap wipe cache Delvic. So I want to clear the cache of the earliest ROM that I was having on my mobile phone. When it is done, then I will tap reboot system. So ROM got updated and got booted. Well, things all done and data still remains there. No setup screen. And I will tap the settings now. Then I will go to about phone. Same model, right? And after tapping the software information, now if you see the build number, it will show ExtremeROM Quant 3.0.5. The ROM got updated from 3.0.0 to 3.0.5. Without losing our data, everything's done very smoothly, right? So this is how we can update the ExtremeROM Quant. Thanks to the developer who providing the updates also for few mobile phones that will not get the stock ROM or officially will update it to One UI 8. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click subscribe button, click tap or click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. See you again. Tata.